The CDC, alcohol-related death rates in Wisconsin are high.
Well, Jalen Banks spoke with the Wisconsin Policy Forum on these numbers, and he joins us now with a breakdown. Jalen?
Eric and Susan, the Wisconsin Policy Forum found that alcohol-related deaths in our state are much higher than the national average. Earlier, I spoke with them on their findings. According to the CDC, alcohol-related deaths spiked during the pandemic when we saw alcohol consumption increase during that time. The Wisconsin Policy Forum says as of 2024, the national average of alcohol-related deaths is 13.9 per 100,000 residents, and our state average is at 18.2. Despite remaining higher than the national average, there has been a steady decline post the pandemic.
Something has happened here over the last 10 to 15 years where our state's rate has risen significantly above the national rate. We don't profess to, have all the answers to why that is, but just the fact that divergence has happened between our state and the rest of the country is another finding that we wanted to highlight.
High rates of alcohol-related deaths is not just a problem for Wisconsin and our part of the country. Neighboring states face higher rates as well. However, there is one particular issue Wisconsin faces that is worse than anywhere else in the country, and that is the rate of alcohol-related deaths for Black residents.
Where at a national level, Black Americans are significantly less likely than white Americans to die of alcohol-induced causes. But then you look at, those rates in Wisconsin, and the opposite is true.
However, locally, we're seeing an effort to try to reduce these types of deaths for all people.
This is something that we continuously talk with in schools, we talk with college students, but also while out in the community. Now, for the jail, we focus on the treatment side of things with our Alcoholics Anonymous, our Narcotics Anonymous, and other resources for individuals while they're in our custody.
Now, if you would like to see the full study, you can find a link to it on our website. Just find this story. Just head on over to channel3000.com.